Welcome to the DRE IP voting system. This video will show you how to cast and verify your vote. First, log on to the tablet with the unique passcode you have been given. Then, simply select a candidate and cast your vote by tapping Confirm. Or you may cancel your selection and start again. The system will print two parts to your receipt. First, when you select a candidate, and then when you either cancel or confirm your vote. Once you cast your vote, voting is finished. To check your vote, go to the election website shown at the bottom of the receipt. Search for your vote using the confirmation code also shown on the receipt. You can confirm the matching details on the site, and this guarantees your vote is recorded. When the election is finished, all receipts will have been published. Based on these receipts, anyone will be able to verify if all the votes are correctly tallied as recorded. You don't have to check this yourself, but the data and the verification software are freely available on the website for anyone who wishes to check. Enjoy voting and the power to verify your vote.